So today we will be seeing the fabrication of the C class. C class is a circumferential class. It is also known as a three-quarter class. It is the simplest class generally used on premolars and molars. This class extends from interproximal embrasure either mesially or distally and passes below the maximum bulge area along the gingival margin up to the other interproximal embrasure. Then turns vertically and passes through the occlusal contact point and continues as the retentive arm onto the palatal surface. So this is a round stainless steel wire of 0.8 mm. So take about 5 centimeters of it and straighten it. So this clasp extends from interproximal embrasure either mesially or distally below the maximum bulge area along the gingival margin. Now bend this end of the wire in such a way that it will engage this undercut area. And check if it adapts properly to that surface. Once this is done, continue to curve the wire in a C shape with the help of universal plier. Keep checking for its adaptation. Now we'll engage this part of the wire into this undercut area. For that, mark a point on the wire on that area and with the help of universal plier, give a bend. Once again check for its adaptation and then adapt the retentive arm onto the occlusal surface. Now with the help of universal plier, bend the wire at that mark point. Check for its adaptation. Adapt the wire onto the occlusal surface and cut the excess wire. Now we'll adapt this retentive arm on this palatal surface. Now we'll make the tag arm either a loop or a bend. So this way our fabrication of the C clasp has completed. This C clasp has some disadvantages. It cannot be used on deciduous teeth as there is no infrabulge area. It cannot be used on partially erupted teeth. It can only be used on posterior teeth. This clasp is made up of thicker wire, hence it is rigid. This clasp is difficult to adjust, therefore it gets distorted very easily.